Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna tell you about setting up Revit option for beginners. So who are going to use the Revit as a beginning? When you're using the Revit, when you're able to see this screen, this is a reason find that what you, reason find which you are working in this the Revit window. If you are click on this, the documentation, you do not have access to Revit cloud model, whatever that is he's showing you. If you have access, he will show you the here, but I show you the here that the reason file. Suddenly you click on this, you won't able to see the reason file. Don't panic, I will show you the step by step. For now, I will going to show you how to set up the Revit options. So I will going to click on this here, the home icon. This is here. When you open this, if you are seeing that, then you are to looking for the home icon is here. This is the home option here. If you click here, that is a disappear. You are able to see all those gray ribbon, architectural ribbon here. Everything is a gray out, but you are not entering in the project. That is why he's showing the gray out. So where the option is, you are going to setting up in here before you go in the project, and this option is you can go in to the project during the step the project, and also can edit the option here in the here. And this is the option here. You click over this, there's an option here. The name is general, user face, colors, graphic, hardware, file locations, rendering, chest spelling, everything in here. You can setting at what you like, what you're used to using for the future, for more comfortable. So what I'm going to do is one by one. I'm going to choose the general here. If the notification here, set reminder interval every 30 minutes. I just say the 30 minutes. I made it as default, so I don't change anything here. It's a default. Here is a username here, but if you are logging into that, if you are logging the license one, if you are that the Revit show you your name here, the journal file cleanup. When your one number of journal exceeds 10 numbering, he will delete automatically. But I don't like this. The number 10, if you make it more number, that make your PC heavy, because all the file inside you are looking fine. But I don't want it. I just used to put it this number 3, the 3 file. More than the 3 file, you will be clean up. That delete the journey more older than 10 days. It doesn't matter if you want to put it here. Is it 10 day, 15 day? It's up to you. You can setting up your own option. But I will put it back as default. That was sharing update frequency every 5 seconds. He will be synchronizing. This is what sharing update frequency. Every 5 seconds he will work for you. Here the view option here is a default. This is coordination view in here. If you are architect, then you use the architecture, but I just made it the default. Coordination is a default in here. Okay, we are going back to the user interface here. That everything is already set up by Revit. Don't worry, just let it be. This is not disturbing you. This is not nothing is happening here. You will remember it. I will show you the previous video, and the before video is the keyboard shortcut, how to customize your keyboard shortcut in here. But you will be familiar after you watch my video. Okay, double click option here. That what that means is that double click option is, okay, we are going to study about this. Look over this element type, the family. But do you have the family? After when you double click, you can edit the family. If you're off, you can editing with the double click. What you need to do is just click one single click, and go into the edit family. But if you on this, when you double click the family, it will allow you to modify the family. Okay, the same scenario, that is another element type, sketch element. In here, edit element stay the same. If you double click on the sketch element, you can modify. Inside view, schedule on the sheet. Same scenario, the same work here. That you are double click on this view or schedule, you will be edit view. It allows you to edit view. If you don't want it, do nothing. Just like that. Outside view on the sheet, same scenario. In here, if you click on the title outside the title block, it will be de-edit view for you, because you set allow to double click action. Assembly, group, staircase. In the staircase, when you double click there, it allows you to edit the element. That is a mean the customize double click setting here. That's how Revit work for you. Just okay, I will leave it the default. Okay, we're going to this default. I will made it default. We won't touch switching. That's still the same. I will put it or default view or default setting. The family editing stay on the modifying tab. Is it here in the modifying tab in here? It's saying that in the project environment, return to the previous tab. When you are working on that, it will show you that in previous tab. You go back to the previous tab, it will show you the project environment. I will leave it as default. Okay, in here tab option, Control Shift Tab. What is the mean? I will going to show you the example here. I am level 1 right now. If I want to go into the level 2, without click on the level 2 here, what I did is go into the keyboard the same time, Control Shift and the tab. You go into level 2. That what does that mean? That is mean here. Okay, I will go into the color. You look over here, UI active themes. I will leave it the default. If you want light and dark, it's up to you. You can make it on your choice. And then cover in here. In the cover color, I will put it the light, because if you are when you're seeing this Revit in the background here, the white color, if you're choosing that, is a dark color, same like the AutoCAD default, but I will leave it the light. And the white color background is I made it white. It's like in the Revit, what we are using this, the white color background in here. Okay, the selection, it will show you the blue color. If you want to change a different color, I will show you right away right now. When you select the element, you look at this. The select element is showing you the blue color. That is mean. Okay, precision is a blue color. What does that mean? It's a precision. Before you select the element, your cursor is cover over it. You will show you the blue color. That is a mean. If you want to change the color, it's up to you. You want to change the color, is a different. It's like this color. Just okay. Maybe it's affected with this guy. It's not affecting here because it doesn't change in the here. So okay, I will going to show you here the color, magenta color, and go here. You look at this. Look over this. Okay. I hope you guys understand about this. So I will go back to the color in here, magenta alarm. What is the means alarm is? I will go into the project in here. This one is already pinned. If you want to delete it, it doesn't allow you. He will alarm you. I'm going to delete. You look over this. This is a color. This color, the yellow. And I go into the calculating. That's a calculating part. Is a cyan color. Revit editing, green color. You will show you when you are editing the Revit. You will show you green color. Okay. Then graphic. I will go into the graphic. That you just leave it as default. This is no issue. And here temporary dimension touch appearance. That's a temporary. If you want to see the bigger size, you made it a 20. If you want the smaller size, it's an 8. Here is transparency. Okay, I'll go back to the hardware. This is my hardware here. This is my personal laptop in here. NVIDIA is everything green. but everything is smooth. If you are using the complex project, it's very heavy, it make you slow. Your work in progress is make it slow because your PC, your hardware is performance is getting slow. Okay, the file location in here is the construction template in here, architecture, structure, mechanical and system in here. Where the location is, you click over this, that is showing you this. That's the file location in here. Program data, the Autodesk. When you install Revit, he was asking you where you are going to install on the Windows C or Windows D. It's depend on what you choosing the location is. But in here, that is I show you the example what is set up. If you don't want to see the rest of the template, you can remove. Okay, but I just leave it as default. Then you going to this default path username. It's always going back when you see the file. You go to document file. If you want to choose a tutorial or everywhere, is just let it or open it. Then he will say you the file location is your identifying the location. The default part of family template is that is a template is a default one. This is editing this here the file location here. Then the system analysis workflow is already set as a default. You can leave it as default. Rendering, if you want to put the rendering appear part after you rendering, the file location will go in here. You can save the one file in here. Everywhere if you want to set up by your choice. Okay. I will remove this. Chest spelling in here is made it default. Is no issue. The steering wheel that a big steering wheel appears the normal at capacity of 50%. This one. Mini wheel appearance is a 50%. You can make it default. There won't be problem any error. But your work tool, you want to put it that is the speed. You want to go into the walkthrough. You can make the speed at here in the steering wheel here. Okay, YouTube. You go into the YouTube here. Show the YouTube in the 3D view, but in active view only. And the 3D view, if you want to show the inactive view, just like this is the active view. But in the default, it's showing you into the 3D view. If you change back to the active view, this is the active view. It will show you in here the 3D icon here. That is what it means. Okay. The location is on screen. The position top right here, top right here. And the YouTube size is automatically you are setting you automatically. If you don't want to see the bigger size, you make it tiny and small in here. You can set it in the option. In active opacity is a 50%. You just made it the default. Okay, micro and just leave it. The cloud mode, if you are not working on the cloud mode, you just leave it here. But if you are working on the cloud mode, you can set it at the file location where you want to save in the file. But this is my personal laptop. I just made it default. I'm not working on the cloud mode in here, so I just leave it there. How you're going to understand about this, that setting up for the Revit option for the beginners. Then you will be able to understand about the option before you work on the Revit or during the working the project. You can setting up the option as your choice. Okay. I hope you guys understand about this option to setting up. So the next video I will going to show you how the templates work in here. I will show you that this is a new template, creating a template and using my construction template. I'm going to use my own template. I will going to show you the next video. I hope you guys waiting for the next video. I'll see you. Bye bye.